opposites. 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 First one, right? Sit. SIT, sit. Give some finger space. And far you write this symbol opposite. Sit opposite. Stand. Sit opposite. Stand. Sit opposite. Stand. Come opposite. Go. Come opposite. Go. Next one, start. 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 Start opposite. Stop. 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 Start opposite. Stop. Start opposite. Stop. Next one, tall. Tall opposite. Short. Short. Tall opposite. Short. Next one, enter. Enter opposite. Exit. Enter opposite. Exit. Enter opposite. Exit. Number 6. Close opposite. Open. Close opposite. Open. Inside. Opposite. Outside. Inside opposite. Outside. One more, shall we write? Number 8. Hard. Opposite. Soft. Hard opposite soft. Hard opposite soft. Read and write, beta. Read and write. Sit opposite stand. Come opposite go. Start opposite stop. Tall opposite short. Enter opposite exit. Close opposite open. Inside opposite outside. Hard opposite soft. Hard opposite soft. Read and write, everyone. Done, children? Make it fast. Show me thumb if you have done. If you have completed. Have you noted all the 8 opposite words? Show me thumb those who have completed. Okay, Dhruti completed and Arohi done. What about others? Rohit Chaudhary, did you complete? Ananya? Done, beta, very good. Pradiksha, are you writing? Completed, beta? Hanvit? Hanvit? Arhan? Arhan Mohammed? Done? Okay, good. Ansil Raj done, very good. Advait Gujja, Sai Ritvik Reddy, Mayuri, Stragvi, Swarnika. I'm going to erase now. I'm going to clean the board. Make it fast. Okay, done. Now, next one you see, take out your course book, page number. Everyone, take out the course book, page number 14. Course book, page number 14 now. See, there are three opposites in bit number 2. There are three opposites you have. Now, you should complete it by yourself. What is the opposite of tall? First, you write the date. You have to write the date on the top of the page, right? 30, 7 and CW. Write that on the top of the page of your course book. Write date and CW. Write date and CW on the top of the page, page number 14. And what is the opposite of tall? What is the opposite of tall? Here already we have written in our notebook. What is the opposite of tall? Opposite of tall is short. See here, this one. And you have to write short. Right there, S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall, opposite, short. Tall, read and write beta. Tall, opposite, short. And next one, enter. Enter, opposite, exit. Here again we have on the board, you can see there, enter, opposite, exit. You have to write this, exit. E-X-I-T, exit. Enter, opposite, exit. Enter, opposite, exit. Read it. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. And 3 to 5 times you have to repeat it. Enter, opposite, exit. Enter, opposite, exit. Next one you have number 3, close. Close, opposite, open. O-P-E-N. You have to write there O-P-E-N, open. Close, opposite, O-P-E-N, open. Close, opposite, O-P-E-N, open. O-P-E-N, open. O-P-E-N, open. Done? Now take the page number 15. 1, 5. 1, 5. Let me erase this first. Okay. Now which page number? Page number 15. 1, 5. Page 15. Group C. Come on, write date there. What you have there? Group C. Write their date again. 37 and CW. Fast. Write date on the top of the page. You have a helping box, a help box. You have, what are there in that help box? Let us see. Bin, fog, ship, shell, pig, bat, fan, dish, frock. These are the words you have in your textbook in a help box. So now what we have to do, we have to find out short. Here we have to find out short I sound. Short I sound and SH, sh sound. Sh, 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 SH. Okay, so tell me, where are the short I sounds? B-I-N, bin, bin. This is short I sound. Fog, no, this is not. Ship, yes, this is SH sound. And shell, SH, shell. Pig, small I sound. And this is no. Next, fan also no. Dish, SH, sh, sound is coming. Dish. So this is SH sound and this is no. Here what he asked? He asked us to find out the small, the short I sound and SH, ship, SH, sh sound. Sh. Now on left side you have some pictures and right side you have to write the names for those pictures. Now let us see. What is the first picture you have? The first picture is pig. What type of sound is it? This is short I sound. Short I sound. Right there, beta. In the first box, there is a picture. Okay. You have pictures there. Here you have a picture. You have a picture here. So right here, pig. You have to write a pig. Okay. And next one, what is that picture you have there? Can you tell me? That is a dish. What is that? Dish. And what type of sound is this? Dish. What type of sound is this? Sh. SH sound. Okay. Sh. Next one. What is the picture you have there? Bin. B-I-N. Bin. And this is again short I sound. Short I sound. Bin. And next one you have ship. What type of sound is that? That is SH sound. SH. And next one, let us write ship. What is that? Ship. 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 And the last one, what you have? You have shell. 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 SH sound again. Okay. Sh. Short I sound and SH sound. Okay. Now, today's your homework is you have to take out the page number 17. There are some new words related to related to your text, global English and a story Little Ant also, that little hen, the red little hen story. So you can see there, I'm going to read. Repeat after me, children. Take out the page number 17 of your course book. Page 17. Okay, you have there group A. Group A. What you have to do there? Tell me. You have to learn those spellings. Learn those spellings. You have to write 2 times there. 2 times, and you have to learn all the spellings. Once shall we read? We will read once. See? Yes, don't write now, beta. Don't write now. Okay? Come on. Sheep.